In front of me is HMD Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear, tap on voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on your microphone. Hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same now blue microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!